I created Addamus to combine my love of music with travelling. Singers want to sing in the best churches across Europe, singing some challenging repertoire that pushes them and socialising with a range of ages and having a really good time. The Addamus Choral Course takes amateurs of all levels and introduces them to the brilliant world of 16th century polyphony in some of Europe's finest cathedrals. Singers will sing in buildings such as Saint-Sulpice in Paris, Westminster Abbey, St Paul's Cathedral, the Vatican and Florence Cathedral.
Couldn't resist the idea that I was going to sing in the Duomo. Now I realise that the small parish church in Rome is actually St Peter's in the Vatican.
I'm only 21 and I've been able to sing at two of the most incredible churches in the country and if not the world.
The acoustics are so beautiful that you can hear your voice echoing around the church.
We get to sing some of the amazing Renaissance polyphony where it could have been sung for the first time.
Tradition of music has gone on in these buildings for, well, many hundreds of years. Pieces of music that may have been sung 400, 500, 600 years ago in similar circumstances.
My musical focus in rehearsals are to create something special that in the moment only the singers in the choir get to experience and hear. Up a turn again.
We do daft warming up exercises. He had us all sticking our tongues out at each other.
It doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but it makes you sound amazing.
Very quickly we were singing really beautifully and singing alongside other people. We gave one another confidence.
We will also have our part leaders who are professional singers who sing this music day in, day out. How you get your entries?
They've got the safety rails of professionals or semi-professionals like me as a part leader. Hopefully it gives them the confidence to enjoy the experience and not being stressed about getting all the right notes all the time.
Caius is absolutely brilliant in directing the choir and making everyone feel sort of comfortable in these sort of massive spaces.
Caius is a force of nature. He's a great person to be connected with. He's so enthusiastic about the music.
There's a tremendous enthusiasm and also very good at confidence building.
Most of all, he makes it fun.
He just works at a mile a minute.
I genuinely think he's one of the most inspirational and talented musical directors I've ever sung under.
As a tourist, you can't just go and sing in the Vatican or in Florence in the Duomo.
We'll be featuring in the Duomo rather than sort of milling round behind the tapes and things, so you see a city from a different perspective.
The fun starts with the singing, but it ends in the bars and the restaurants and just the good times we have because it is a holiday as well.
Everyone who comes on our courses enjoys themselves because of the standard of musicianship, musicality, but also the opportunity to mix with like-minded friends.
Singing in places that you wouldn't get the chance to sing in, getting world-class musical education and genuinely making friends for life as well.